Okay everyone, today we are going to create this slide trick. This is really easy but useful. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Now let's try to create it. It's really easy. We need to download our picture. After downloading our picture, you need to create a new slide and go to format background and set it to picture or texture and insert your picture from a file. And then after inserting your picture, your background has been created. Okay, now we add our picture. Because of that, we don't need to do that. Then what we need to do, we need to create these things. It's really easy, but it has a little trick. Let's create it. At first, we copy the text, paste it here, and copy this text and paste it here. Okay, we have the text, but you see, as you can see, this text is more different from this text. Why? Because its font is different. It's this font. We are going to set to both of them. And also it has effect. What effect? It has a little shadows, if you see, that is come from these effects. Okay. Now we have our text. We need to create these things. What is this? You see, at first, it looked like it's just a shape, a black shape. For example, something like this, and then we color it black and make it no outline, and then to format shape and reduce the transparency. But it's nothing like that. You see, it's different. Let me just copy that for you to see here. You see, these things are different. Before that, we have this great effect. You see here that we don't have here. Okay, how we should create that effect? It's really easy. Let's go to our new slide, create a blank slide. Then just you need to paste your picture. We have our picture here. What we are going to do, we are going to copy our picture and paste it here. Okay, then we are going to use crop option to crop it to the size that we needed. So we then go to picture correction and reduce the sharpness and reduce the brightness. You see, now the great effect is created. You see the slides, some kind of just, it's a little trick. If you find out the trick, anything else, it's just as easy as a cake. You see, it's just a trick that you can do something like that. After that, it has nothing special. It's easier as a piece of cake to create and make. We create this. After that, you select all of them and go group them for the best use. Then copy the picture and in the first, just put it out and then easily set the transition to morph and then run it as great as possible. If you like this kind of videos, this kind of easy transition but beautiful one, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need anything else, ask me in the comments.